Nobody's touched this aircraft in over a decade.
Let's check the landing gear first. Everything looks good so far.
The corrosion here is worse than the survey suggested.
This aircraft was once considered beyond saving. Today, it becomes a
Back it up slowly. Hold it right there.
We need a full structural assessment before anyone touches the tail.
Watch the intensity. We don't want to damage the skin beneath the corrosion.
This line is complete.
Power it up. Let's see if she responds.
Keep the pressure steady. We want an even finish across the whole panel.
Easy does it. Keep it steady. Locked in. Hold it right there. Steady. Line it up. Locking it down now.
Fit check, keep it steady. Perfect, that's a solid seal.
Steady. Press it in now. Got it. Looks flush on this side.
This space is going to become something completely different. The stitching needs to be exact. No visible seams.
Watch your fingers on this side. Got it. Slowly now.
Seamless integration. You'd never know it was there. Test complete. System functioning within normal parameters.
Slowly does it. Steady on the winch. Aligning the main pins now.
This engine is going to run better than the day it left the factory.
All right, everyone, let's look big for the camera.
Great work, everyone. Let's see her fly.
Flight controls,
Checked. Flaps set to 5.
next check.
Tower, requesting clearance for departure. Cleared for takeoff, wind steady.
What was once written off as scrap metal has become something extraordinary, proof that with enough vision,